How's it going? Welcome back. So this is slightly different video to what I normally do, but I'm going to basically show you my free sources of income for passive income. So I have three main sources, then I have dividends on the side. So the money I earn from passive income, I then pretty much invest into the stock market and then earn dividends from that. But I'm going to show you now the three main sources. So if you watched my last video and I spoke about how much YouTube paid me through ad revenue, then please go check out that video after this one. Please hit the like button on this one also. But basically I'm going to show you my YouTube, my fitness channel income through programming, and then also my coffee brand. So again, they're all pretty small niche areas of the market, all to do with the military. So again, it targets a really small portion of the nation and the world, really. Coffee, unless you support the military, you probably won't really find this coffee or buy it. If you're a veteran or serving military personnel, you may buy this coffee just to support the military and the brand itself. But again, if you do want to support me, please jump over to my website. It is Commando Dagger Coffee. So commandodaggercoffee.com. The link will be in the description box below. We do offer coffee, decaf coffee, and we do have some t-shirts as well. So if you don't drink any coffee, if you want to just buy a t-shirt and support me, then that will be brilliant. And then we also do offer some tools as well, or brewing kit to go with the coffee. And then additional, we do have training programs for lads that want to join the Royal Marines. So this is one of my incomes, and probably the one that takes most of my time. So if orders do come in, I have to process these orders. This is something I have to put time into. Again, like I said, to make the coffee, bag it up, and send it off. T-shirts, same with that. So this one basically takes time to do. But again, if you want to support me, go check it out. The other two is basically passive income. They just run in the background. So first of all, we'll jump over to my coffee store and look at the information. So as you can see here, this is the last 12 months. So kind of the last year. Basically, it's gone the last 12 months from today. So that's what we're looking at. And as you can see there, not much at all. Basically, 1,500 I earned from the coffee. Like I said, it's not something I push a lot of. It's just there in the background. I post regularly on Facebook and Instagram. We do have a YouTube channel where I'll post like coffee shorts, something like that. But again, it's a very small niche community. I have my regulars, so every month people will pretty much order the same coffee or order from us. If we scroll down, you can see here, most of it is online pretty much, so people just come to the website. But we do have subscription. So we're trying to get our regulars to sign up for the subscription. So every month they're guaranteed a bag of coffee, or their couple of bags of coffee, whatever they have, every month, without constantly coming onto here and placing an order every month. It automatically just happens throughout the year. And then online sessions, as you can see, we had 4,200 people click on our website. That's either through social media, Google search engines, or something like that. And you see there, total orders, 83 total orders. And then the average order is £16. So a bag of coffee is £7, I think, for coffee. So yeah, we're looking at 2 bags of coffee every order. There's our top selling products. So we got our one coffee brand there, so 1664, and Integrity, so 35 bags of that coffee, 17 bags of that coffee. These 2 are training programs, so people do come on here and buy our training programs. Again, if they do search on Google how to train for this test or that test, hopefully these programs pop up, and that's where these guys are finding the website, hopefully. And then we do offer a bundle, so 2 bags of coffee, so they could buy 2 of these and buy it for a discount as a bundle. So this is how much I've earned through my coffee company online. So again, if you do want to support me, please head over to the website, grab a bag of coffee or just a t-shirt if you can. That would mean a lot. Thank you very much. So this is one of my incomes, my smallest income probably. And then my next one in second place is my YouTube. So again, if you watched my last video, you would have seen this. This is what I earned in the year 2023 from ads on my videos. So just shy of £3,000 on ads. As you can see by the graph, I was earning between £1 and £5 all year. We did jump up here between £10 and £20 for a month, and then we went back down to our original thing. And then where you see this massive spike in the graph, that is where YouTube allowed shorts or advertisers to start advertising on shorts. So once they started doing ad revenue on shorts, that's where that massive spike come onto. And I think I earned £119 there once they opened shorts. And as you can see there, all these numbers down here is the number of videos I uploaded. So now I try and upload 1 short a day or 1 every 2 days, just to keep this ticking over. And now you can see as our shorts are now earning money, we're now earning between £10 and £20 a day compared to where we were earning £1 to £5 a day. So pretty much doubled our income from just using shorts now on YouTube. So this is my second biggest. So 1,005 from my coffee, 2,900 from YouTube, and then my biggest income is through my fitness programming. So I offer military style programming. So anyone that enjoys the military style boot camps or military style training, sign up to my program. Also, lads that want to join the military or currently serving in the military, also join my programs. So I have a continuous program which is basically ongoing, and that's £9.99 a month. Or we do offer like one-off programs. So if they want to train for a specific test in the military, they can download the program. They're normally £10 just for a one-off program. And this is pretty much what I've earned in the year 2023. So it's a massive jump, to be fair, from my other two. But like I said, this is my main income. And then all this is pretty much in the future will be getting invested. So last year, if you do follow my channel, I bought a house. This pretty much funded my house, the renovation, and half of the deposit I needed for the house. I saved most of it. Then I used this money. So with this money, I put it aside. It gets paid into a separate bank account, and I forget about it unless it really does come to a emergency, and then I will dip into it. So currently with this money, I am transferring it into a. So I have £1,000 sat in my bank account, in this bank account for emergencies, and then whatever else is in there, I transfer into a instant saver. So on Tandem, which is an app, it's 5% interest every month. So they pay 5% every month, and I basically put it into that. So that is my instant access saver, which I'm basically building to be my emergency funds. So constantly adding into that for my emergency funds. But currently, like I said, I do hold £1,000 in this bank account for emergencies on like right now. And then if I do need more, then I'll dip into my instant access saver. But like I said, it's all in here. So those are my three main sources of income. And then I do have dividends as well getting paid out to me. But again, if you do follow this channel for my dividends and my investing portfolios, then you're up to date with that. This is just my other sources of income, how I earn income through passive income. But again, hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, please also subscribe. I want to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark this year or 2024. So again, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.